Assalamualaikum viewers, hope so you will be fine. So before starting this video, I would like to request you, don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis. तो हमने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस के बारे में कल किया था, अफर्मेटिव एंड नेगेटिव के बारे में, लेकिन आज हम करेंगे अबाउट इंटेरोगेटिव and negative class interrogative. So the formula which has been written here, this is of interrogative. Okay, and in interrogative sentence you have to insert question mark. This is the part of punctuation. So the formula is has or have. You have to apply first has or have as helping verb. After helping verb, you have to apply subject. Then you have to apply verb third form, then object, and then question mark. Okay. So there are some sentences which are in Urdu, and I have to convert them according to this formula. So the first sentence is कि क्या मुझे तुम्हारा खत मिल गया है। इसका मतलब है कि मेरी बात हो रही है, तो मैं अपने लिए I यूज करूंगी, I, ठीक है। लेकिन because it is an interrogative, that is why I have to insert first helping verb. तो I के साथ हमेशा have लगता है, so at first I will apply here have. Okay, have. After have, I have to apply subject, have I. ठीक है, खत मिलना, खत receive होना, मौसूल होना, we say it receive. The verb will be used here, receive. Have I received? Received because verb third form will come here. Your letter. Your is an indirect object and letter is an object. ठीक है, have I received your letter? क्या मुझे तुम्हारा खत मिल गया है? Then you have to apply question mark, not full stop. The second sentence is क्या हम 21वीं सदी में दाखिल हो चुके हैं? ठीक है, क्या हम we के साथ we apply have. ठीक है, but this is an लेकिन ये एक सवाल है, तो मैं इसमें have लिखूंगी. Have, with have I have to apply here we as subject. After have I have applied we. Have we entered? Enter is the verb and the third form is entered. Have we entered in? ठीक है, अब 21वीं सदी को क्या कहते हैं? 21st century. 21 आप नहीं लिखेंगे, you will write here 21st. Have we entered in 21st century? Century, सदी को कहते हैं, it means when 100 years are completed, it is called century. Alright, the third sentence is क्या वो उमैरा अहमद के लिखे हुए नॉवल पढ़ चुकी है? ठीक है, क्या वो पढ़ चुकी है? It means I am talking about a girl or a woman. It means we are talking about here about a singular subject. So has with she has will come here first because this is an interrogative sentence. Has she read? Read is the third form of read, but the spelling will be same of all the forms. Read, read, read. I have explained you this thing already. Has she read the written novel of Umaira Ahmad? Has she read the novels? Sorry, the novels written by Umaira Ahmad. Umaira Ahmad she is a writer and she writes novel, and I love to read her novel. Has she read the novels written by Umaira Ahmed? Okay, these are 3 sentences. I will go ahead. So the 4 sentences कि क्या वो डॉक्टर साहब का नाम भूल गए हैं? क्या वो भूल गए हैं? It means the subject will be they. Okay, and with they we apply have as helping verb because we are talking about more than one person. Have, they, ठीक है. और भूल जाना is a verb, और भूल जाने को we say forget. Have they forget? The third form will be applied here, forgotten. Have they forgotten the name of doctor? So have they forgotten the name of doctor? क्या वो डॉक्टर साहब का नाम भूल गए हैं? This is the 4th sentence. And our 5th sentence, क्या अहमद ने अपना नया घर बना लिया है? Ahmed is a one person, ठीक है. That is why I will apply here has, and Ahmed is subject. Has Ahmed. घर बनाने को, घर तामीर करने को we say in Urdu build, build. But the second and third form are same, and we can say here built, built. Has Ahmed built? Has Ahmed built? अपना घर बना लिया है, his new house. Then this is a question mark because this is a question. Alright, have you understood about this? अब ये जो नया फॉर्मूला है ये नेगेटिव और इंटरोगेटिव को मिलाकर बनाया गया है, यानी कि इसमें सवाल भी है और इनकार भी है. You can notice here the structure of sentences. क्या मुझे तुम्हारा खत नहीं मिला है, क्या भी है और नहीं भी है. It means this is negative plus interrogative sentence. क्या मुझे तुम्हारा खत नहीं मिला है, क्या हम 21वीं सदी में दाखिल नहीं हुए हैं, क्या एंड नहीं. क्या वो डॉक्टर साहब का नाम नहीं भूले हैं, क्या और नहीं. Okay, it means this is negative plus interrogative sentence. क्या मुझे तुम्हारा खत नहीं मिला है? So the number 1 sentence is have I not, have I then not received, third form of the verb, your letter. Have I not received your letter? क्या हम 21वीं सदी में दाखिल हो गए हैं? Have, क्योंकि हम की बात हो रही है तो वी के साथ हम आता है, but this is an interrogative and negative sentence. That is why I have applied here have first. Have we, this is subject, then not, have we not entered in 21st century. Alright, have we not entered in 21st century? The third sentence is क्या वो डॉक्टर साहब का नाम नहीं भूले हैं? अब दे की बात हो रही है, बहुत सालों की बात हो रही है. जब भी दे आता है we apply have. So have will come first because this is an interrogative sentence as well. Have they not forgotten the name of doctor? Alright, must insert question mark. Don't forget to do this. Sometimes I forget to write incorrect spelling, but this is just by mistake. This is not intentionally, so please don't mind it. As I write all things on the board, so I can make mistake, but it doesn't mean that I know wrong spellings. This is just by mistake. So the fourth sentence is, क्या उसने उमैरा अहमद के लिखे हुए नॉवल नहीं पढ़े हैं? अब देखें, क्या उसने, अब उसने लड़का भी हो सकता है और उसने लड़की भी हो सकती है, ठीक है, बट आई एम यूजिंग हियर शी एज अ सब्जेक्ट. क्या उसने उमैरा अहमद के लिखे हुए नॉवल नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, नहीं पढ़े हैं, बिकॉज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. Has will come here first, and she has been used here as subject. Then after because this is negative and interrogative sentence, that is why has and not denotes that in this sentence we are denying something and we are questioning someone. Has she not read the novels written by Umaira Ahmad? You can see here, has, subject is she, then not, then verb third form read, and object is the novels written by Umaira Ahmad. Alright, the fifth सेंटेंस इज, क्या अहमद ने अपना नया घर नहीं बनाया है? आई एम आस्किंग समवन कि क्या अहमद ने अपना नया घर नहीं बनाया है. सो हाउ आई विल डू अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, अहमद क्या है? एक लड़का है, एक आदमी है. ही इज अ singular subject. So has Ahmad is subject here. Has Ahmad built is the third, because I have to apply here not first. Verb third form is built, as I have told you earlier. Has Ahmad not built his new house? Alright, and at the last you have to insert question mark because this is negative plus interrogative formula. So I have completed these structures. I hope so you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and watch, please watch these videos fully and learn the method of English. I will start conversational classes as well as, but you have to learn them fully because without them you can't learn English. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully. तब तक के लिए जुलियाना उस्मान को इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.